back, and we're just after finishing the conversation off. David wants to go to Turkey to get hair implants, so anyone can fund them.
And the bum lift.
And he wants to get the bum lift and the lips done. We're back. What do you think we like?
Yours.
That's another one of our good friends, the Garage Gold lights. Pretty cool, isn't it?
It is.
I'll be flat out. Hey, Craig.
Darren.
Craig, while you're over there, you wouldn't stick your hand in behind you there, yeah? Yeah? Clean out the fish tank. Huh? Is there anyone, if there's anyone watching this that wants to come down to clean the fish tank out for us, yeah? We'll give them a few bits and pieces.
They have to be a professional fish tank cleaner though.
Yeah, we want to see all the certs, all the documents and everything, I think.
Those fish are our life.
Is there anything in this shed that we want to get rid of? Yeah?
Hold on a second. Point the camera this way again. Oh my god.
Are you going to be able to blur that out?
I don't even know where it is in the video, so I don't know.
Will we just keep going?
Nah, keep it.
Oh my god.
Hopefully there'll be something up about it.
Jesus Christ, there's a car up there. We're not
Stop, will you?
We're not allowed video. We need to get that thing out of here.
Put the cover over it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's a pain though.
Stop the
I'm
course.
not going to say pain in the hole. You can say that.
The hole's not a course.
No.
Okay, Craig, remember that. Hole's not a course. Right, David, you have a pain in your hole.
I do, yeah.
Okay, that's gone. We're trying to make it a few. We can't get paid off YouTube because we course too much.
Yeah.
So that's it. Hole. You're nothing but a hole, David. Huh?
That's our word, yeah.
Anyway, I'm doing a bit of maintaining the shower. We're putting down a little layer of paint. Yeah.
Bring it this way.
I know. I'm just showing the floor, David. Yeah. That's all. Okay, right? The floor was rough, so I'm gonna do a bit of red in the middle of her. But with all will be revealed in this video. Tidying up the shed.
Better be.
A lot of mess down here. We just, you know yourself, things are busy. We just can't seem to keep on top of things. And then someone keeps buying shit. Sorry, David.
Oh my god.
Will you bleep that over, please?
Half, haven't they?
He told me he was up last night till 1:30, Craig, editing the video.
It took me 2 hours to figure out how to cut and cursor it over. I was googling, I was TikToking, I was YouTubing. Oh, at one stage I was going to be like, no, we don't need a video this week.
Oh god.
I stepped out from work this morning. I was wrecked.
Anyway, fruit machines. We're done buying fruit machines, okay?
Yeah.
What am I doing with these seats?
Put them in the bin.
Like really, are they like?
If someone wants to give us 500 quid for them, take them away.
Sorry. If someone wants to give David, we don't want 500 quid. We want less than that.
Yeah,
200.
490.
100 quid each, €200. Someone come and take them, okay? Yeah.
They're patina and everything. They're you got vintage.
Here,
Antique.
Cobra Monaco.
they came out of the bug.
They did. Oh my god, I wouldn't say they're very comfortable.
No, but they were for the lad for his gaming machine or something. You scrub them up there nicely.
Not for Jace.
Whoever's coming down to clean out the fish tank, maybe they'll clean the seats for us.
Trev will come down and do both.
Yeah, Trav doesn't do fish tanks.
Only Trev, whenever he says he comes down, never comes down.
Never comes down. Lets us down so much.
Spoofer.
Well, anyway, we won't mention Trev anymore. Sorry, Trev. Yeah, Craig, you and me, we have a mission to do very soon, yeah? We have a review on our 2 new vehicles to do.
It's true. Yeah.
We do. We have to put the 2 of them to the test, lads.
Mine was but you know, you can try.
There you go. Language.
Yeah, language, yeah. You were sold a lemon. Anyway, we'll talk about that another day, yeah? David, what's this video all about? You're collecting your car parts?
Car part. I'll probably actually sit a few of them on.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch where you're going.
I know, yeah. I've seen he has the wheels and tyres and all, so I know. Oh! You might have the tiny little bit of editing doing that there. Craig, how's your car? Update, let's go.
Still the same as the last time.
Are you bringing it up to this main shed over the next few days, yeah?
I have to wait for the floor paint to dry now.
Yeah, I think we might need to get the heater on that out.
Don't do that, not David.
Is that a course? Is David a course?
I think so. Yeah.
Edit that out, will you, hey?
Yeah.
You-
Nope.
You big hole, yeah. Yeah, right, anyway. This is more updates. Yeah, our videos are just going with the flow. This is not a bug one. This is just what's happening, okay? Boom, we're doing a bit of renovating to the shed. We are cleaning this fish tank. Mobility skidder needs to get up and running. We've decided all our mess. Nearly went that way.
Oh my god.
We've banners to put up, we've all sorts to put up.
What we'll do, in this video, we'll get all the cars together.
Yeah.
With the shed all cleaned out, a new floor and all down. and we do a little talk through some of the cars, what's happening with them now.
That's a good idea. Bar that one up in the corner there where we have to keep on blowing out of everything. Yeah? That's what we do. Right, so I think the best thing to do is, right, okay, let's just wrap up for the night. But will we leave a heater on overnight just to dry the old floor out?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm taking my car out.
Right, anyway, lads, on to the next one. See you tomorrow. I have the camera at a bit of an odd angle here, okay?
Yeah, what's the story with that?
Because I want to show it my floor. I mean, flat out I have, like. Flat out painting, David, all day I have.
Oh, you don't want to show it up?
No, yeah, I'm going to show it in a second.
Alright. You haven't been painting all day, would you stop?
Oh, what?
Did you paint it?
Yeah, well, the lads did.
Yeah.
She looks well, doesn't she?
She does.
She looks well. And she looks well. And this thing here, David, we bought contraption we bought. Before we go any further on the... Oh, David!
Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, you cursing as well.
Right. But look at I'm going to put a little white line, yeah? Down there like that, yeah? Very fancy. With my new line machine, yeah?
Yeah, it comes with a laser.
Well, David, it probably would have been cheaper for me, yeah? Just to tape the floor and paint it, but do you know what? She's the Rolls Royce of them, yeah?
She's a beauty.
She is a beauty. I can't wait to work her. Tomorrow, we might do a montage of me working her tomorrow, David.
I wouldn't say we will.
I seen the last video, someone commented want to see me doing my carpentry skills.
I seen that. Yeah.
Well, you should have watched the bus builds then, shouldn't you, hey?
Do you know what I'm going to do?
Huh.
I'm going to put in a link to the bus build right here. In the middle of this video.
He's going to put a link to the bus build in right
Now.
there.
I'm not going to put it anywhere there because I'm already at the button in where my fingers are.
Put it there, okay? You see my carpentry skills. Hey, big day. Big moment.
This is a very big moment, actually.
Let's walk up to the top of the shed here, yeah? And, oh shit, walk around the well, the blue paint was done yesterday. Does she clash with the 335? No.
It'll just clash with mine and Gregor's car. We should look at it.
So look at it, whatever. Right, so what's happening here then? Boom. We have a door.
What's happening here is we're going to stop this video now in a minute.
Yeah.
We're going to set it up over there, right?
Yeah.
We're going to do a time lapse.
Yeah.
Of me putting the side of the car together.
Yeah.
Of us putting the side of the car together. Just so I can take it all back apart then. Just so I see what it looks like.
You just want to do what you do. I've often been into this shed and I've looked at work you've done. You'd see the one side of a car and you go, jeez, he's flying. Because you'd put a picture up on Instagram or something.
Yeah.
And the other side's in bits.
Yeah, but that's because it takes so long to do one side as well. You know what I mean? You have to give me a bit of a break there.
Leave your football boots. Football boots are stuck in the car.
No, that's what we're saying. I'm going to raffle them off.
They're a size like kind of 3 or something. You don't say about the size of a man's foot.
I squash my foot into them because I don't need to compensate.
Anyway, what are we doing? Montage.
Montage, yeah.
So are we going
B-roll.
to... Let's do a B-roll. Boom. Let's do a C-roll.
Oh, actually, hold on.
Oh, shit.
Do you know what, Will? Did you stop it?
Not yet, no?
In 3, 2, 1, the car will be finished.
Boom.
Maybe.
Let's do a chicken roll. Nozzle's a bit dirty on it there. That's better now. I actually even look better on the camera and everything with that. Hey, still look at you. Oh no,
still a bit.
Still shy. Well, David.
Well,
that's an incredible, David, amount of work that you've done there in the past 3 minutes.
literally just like 3 minutes.
Big montage. The montage. You blink and you miss the montage, huh? Gee, she looks well. Looks so well.
I love it. John, in a way, I'm kind of regretting raffling the wheels off so early.
Oh, sure.
Because they would have been grand on
They
it.
look well on it. No, but the new car, new colour, new wheels, whole lot, yeah?
No, they will, but just until I get new wheels.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. So, yeah, David, you've up over 80 tickets gone, okay, right?
Yeah.
So, last chance for to grab the last few tickets. So,
I don't know. This is probably going to be
Sunday
night, yeah. So this is you've 3 days left.
3 days bump to go.
Yeah.
Get tickets. Or do you know what? Better than getting a ticket, get 2 of them.
John, I might actually do a deal for anyone that watches YouTube.
Yeah.
Text me. Right, they're €35 each. I'll do 4 for 100.
Boom.
Done.
But you have to be a
25 quid later.
subscriber. You have to have proof.
Yeah. Send me a screenshot of you subscribe to YouTube.
Yeah.
And I'll do 4 for 100.
Do you know what else we do, David? Yeah. In this video, seeing as I'm feeling very kind with your money, right? Hey, right? We're gonna put down. So we're gonna do something right in the comments. Okay. All people have to do in the comments is write a comment, a positive comment about anything we do. Yeah. And we will pick one of them to give them a free ticket.
That doesn't sound very fair to me.
It does. Why not? €35 down.
No, because how do you pick that person? No, because that's a bit unfair.
Is that unfair?
Yeah, that's unfair.
Okay.
Whoever... Let me see. I don't know. Let's just...
We'll have a think about that, yeah?
Yeah.
Joe, we might be generous, just pick someone.
We won't
Tell
be
us,
generous.
tell us in the comments like, why you would love a ticket.
Yeah, and we might pick it.
Yeah.
Well, I like money more than nice comments.
David, she's savage. What's your timeline, David? You're like, you reckon another month, 2 months?
I was going to... I'm going to say a month anyway, because I think
Yeah.
by the time I get... Yeah, well, considering everything's up on access stands at the minute.
Yeah.
So we need access stands. Oh, we have access stands again, actually.
back to stand now.
Because I need to get my subframes out. Actually,
Right.
no, that's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going
Yeah.
to get the subframes out of it.
Get her polished tonight, Dave.
No, because I need to get the subframes done to get them back in so I can get the engine back in.
Okay,
So
yeah.
at least while they're off, then at least it's still progress while I'm polished.
Where did you have your engine last?
Where?
Yeah.
Open the other shit.
I got the boys to clean it out.
John would be surprised they showed it.
Boys put it in the bin.
I was like, oh, Honda.
That's an old Honda. No force in that. Jeez, wait to stand the bloody paint here. Okay, right, that's enough of that now for now, okay? Next, yeah, let's just keep her lit there. Let's get another bit done and let's jump back on then, yeah?
No, we got no few B-rolls.
Yeah, let's now be roll. Right, just here, David's not here. David's gone off for half a day and we decided to clean out the fish tank. But I don't know if it's Willy, Mickey or Dick, but he's not feeling the best there now. But I'm out to be moving him around, putting a bit of hot water, a bit of warm water into the tank, so I'm trying to get him to survive. I think it's helping. I'm like a little fish doctor here I am. But anyway, oh jeez, he's after making a dart for it now. Anyway, David back in a bit now and hopefully he can help me resuscitate them. Great news. SP kill signs up. Great news. It was Willy. I wasn't really sure which one it was, right? Hey, look at, where is he? The boys are flying it. Loving life. I'm not messing. I did get a bit of a fright there. Anyway, David will be back now soon. Said that in the last clip, didn't I? Have I just shown that car behind me? Oh my god. David can blow it out. Look what we have in the corner. Look at that. Anyway, wait till the lads get here and we'll have a little chat with them. At least I can tell them that the fish are still alive. David. Jesus, me heart just. You weren't here for it.
John, I'm actually...
Is everything covered? Yeah, thank God, yeah.
No, we're good.
But
The one day that I wasn't here, nearly killed for Willy. Or was it Dick?
No, it was Willy. It was Willy. We know Willy now, okay, yeah? Look at the boys, Dave. Boys are thriving. Boys are flat out there. Oh, Jesus, there's only two of them. Where's the third one? Oh, no, they're here.
Well, when I was here last night, I put them back into the tank.
I know, I left them in a bucket.
And the two of them got stuck over in the corner upside down.
Oh, did they?
So I was like, there's no... You know what, actually, I took a video.
Yeah.
I took a video of them. I might put a little clip of them in.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Oh, they're not messing. Hey, I woke up this morning, yeah? And I was like, do you know when something's annoying you, but you don't know what's annoying you?
Yeah.
I couldn't think of it. I watched the movie, chilled out, okay? And then I was heading into town for bite tea. I drove down here to go in and check. And it was a different man when I seen them all swimming around.
You're right, they're perky now at it again as well, aren't they?
Yeah, I think I might get a sucker fish, David, to clean the tank.
Yeah, at least he'll eat the tree then.
Oh, anyway, that was a tough week, wasn't it?
It was. It was actually an enjoyable week for me.
Yeah.
Because I got in the car back.
Oh yeah, I suppose, yeah. But yeah, I didn't do too much around this yesterday, and I'm not going to do too much of it now. That's for a future video, right?
It looks savage with those.
Yes, it does. Don't forget, David, that she has the full airlift suspension to go into her as well.
Yeah.
I think one of the nicest little mods he done to it is the spoiler on the back,
Yeah.
colour code on the top of it.
Yeah, what a good choice.
But yeah, so that's things going to a wrap there now. I have to read on my floor a little bit because she's a little bit destroyed. You have to watch the alright because you brought her off for a long drive yesterday and she's destroyed.
And can I just say,
Yeah.
what a car.
Yeah?
What a car.
Did you enjoy it?
Jesus Christ. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And like, you know, even sometimes you see with our cars, like any, like say my car and the 335, the Porsche.
Yeah.
It's like you have to be extra careful with them and all, like, you know, like because fiberglass smashes and all, like.
Yeah.
This thing just sails around, even coming to speed ramps and all, like.
Yeah.
And you're slowing down and all, not even a scrape out.
And you can drive her. You can drive her low.
Yeah, no, I didn't drive it low because it wasn't my car. I was afraid.
Yeah.
Actually, no, that's a lie. When it's going to the motorway, I did because it was just showing off, you know.
Ah, yeah.
Just sitting off down there.
Yeah. So look, you're out there. You're out to enjoy yourself every now and again. Anyway, David, I think the shed's coming on very nicely. Okay, I am flat to the mat here. Okay, I've loads of other bits and pieces. I have all the clutter taken out. Now I just have to organise everything.
Yeah.
Okay. We used to have this shed. Would it be possible for you to put a picture in? If I...
Darren, I can do anything.
Oh, David, put a picture in. Put a picture in there of the shed the way we used to have it.
Yeah.
Say before. I'm sure you have pictures somewhere, would you?
Yeah, I'd probably do somewhere, yeah.
Yeah.
You probably have deadly ones though,
I know, but I changed my phone.
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah,
Twice.
same way. Yeah, we have a picture, we'll put it in, yeah?
We'll find it.
We'll find one, yeah. But yeah, that's enough of that, David. That's the video ended. I think that's enough showing for today. Tune in, because next one, David, yeah, is definitely a Beetle.
Yeah.
Beetle's coming together nicely. Well, we'll go to the shed now and see how things get on, but I think it's coming on nicely. You know?
That's good, that's good.
So that's a wrap.
That is a wrap. Like usual, everyone. Like, share, subscribe. Anyone who's watching the videos is subscribing. It's going to be staring where it's at if you don't subscribe.
Pretty
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, please. Thanks. Over.